In this example, we're going to graph a system of inequalities. Let's graph each of these lines first. The easiest way to graph these lines is by using the x and y intercepts. When x is equal to 0 in my first equation, y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So let's graph these 2 points. 0, 1, and 1, 0. We'll use a dotted line since this is a less than sign. There is no equal part in it. And now let's shade. Pick a point on one side of the line. If the inequality, when we plug that point in, is true, then we shade on that side. If it's false, we shade on the opposite side. The easiest point to pick is 0, 0. So let's plug in 0, 0 into that first inequality. 0 is less than 1. 0 is less than 1 is true statement, so we're going to shade on that side of the point. Now let's graph the second line. Using the x and y intercepts again. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 2. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to positive 2. 0, negative 2, 2, 0. Since again this is a inequality sign without the equal sign, we'll use a dotted line. Now we need to figure out what side to shade on. Again, 0, 0 is the easiest point to pick, so let's pick that one. 0 minus 0 is less than 2. 0 is less than 2. That's a true statement, so we shade on that side. The point that we shade both parts, that's the solution. So we're going to show a graph where the only part that's shaded is the part that the part of intersection right here. And that graph looks like this graph right here.